we're gonna see if we can get into the DVC Lounge, see if there's a wait.
Every city, every place.
Have you been here before?
Have?
All right, let's see. Well, I'm going to put that on here somewhere else.
All right, that'll work. All right, you want to go ahead and get your drink and stuff, hon? Oh, okay. We actually got in. Yay! Waited about 30 minutes. It's very small, but it's quaint. Love the theming. So we have refillable drinks and we have snacks. Right now we have baked lays and cinnamon graham crackers.
Goodness, they were able to squeeze us into one or two of these seats.
If you didn't know, this used to be the shooting gallery, and when they decided that was no longer profitable, I guess, they made it into a DVC lounge, which is amazing. I mean, they needed that in Magic Kingdom. We appreciate it. And appropriately, Tom is wearing a DVC Club shirt. So right now, Dinosaur is the longest wait at Animal Kingdom. I mean, even more than Flight of Passage. And that makes sense because it's closing in a few days. We actually rode it for the last time yesterday. Hope you saw that vlog. So they're like bringing in props and plants and things like that for the celebration.
Should I leave it here?
No, this is nuts. Nuts, 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 nuts. The park promptly closes in 10 minutes. And look, nobody in line. Oh my gosh, we're in a boat by ourselves. All right, we got to get a picture of this. Behind us, nobody. In front of us, nobody. This is the best It's a Small World ride ever. Well, actually, no. With Blair, her very first time was the best. Like, I am noticing so much. It's such a difference when there's, like, we wouldn't be able to see as much because we have this clear view. Normally there'd be all these heads right here, and we don't have that. And it's like I'm noticing so many things that I'd never noticed before. We're just having to push this boat along. And this is what it looks like when you close down It's a Small World.
At 4:30 in the afternoon.
Right. When we come out, we can't go past right here. And they have moved, the cast members have moved all the strollers that are normally by the Tangled bathroom. They've moved them here because they don't want you to go past this point. Because everything is closed. They have everyone, like nobody can walk on Main Street. You're either they have them blocked off. You're either walking on the sidewalk there or walking on the sidewalk here. And like I said, the gift shops are not open. Look, we're having a little meeting right here. A little get together. See, they're preparing. You normally don't see ladders coming out on Main Street. Normally don't see this. I'm gonna take this moment to celebrate you guys for actually following along, hitting thumbs up, especially to you subscribers, and an even bigger thank you to the ones that follow both of the channels, this one and my family channel, Life's a Whirlwind. This is interesting. They have like a little carousel horse over there. This is fun. Bringing out all sorts of things for the celebration. And then there's another banner. Is that blurry? There's a step there. Another banner hidden there. And then they have like, what is this? Ostrich feathers? Like ostrich feathers in big vases. And then whatever that is. A couch. Ooh, that's a cool photo op. That's going to be so pretty. Look at that couch. Oh, I want one of those. The little lounge chase. That's what that is. I want one. Oh my gosh, I hope that this monorail mob is not like the bus mob. This is crazy. This is worse than like closing after fireworks. Yeah, the buses are nothing compared to that monorail wait. I'm surprised. There's the new Zootopia bus wrap, which I think is comical. A bus wrap on a bus. Well, thank you, Sebastian. So as you can see, guys, we are at the Caribbean Beach Resort. Took a bus from Magic Kingdom because it's time to go eat. Well, almost. I just want to say that the public bathrooms in the Caribbean Beach Resort, when you just walk in, the inside smells amazing. Just saying. Because I think it warps over from the actual smell of the resort. You know how like every resort has its own smell? Like room deodorizer, room freshener. This one's very Caribbean-y. Oh, the pool's not open, so they have like little games in the lobby. Cannot say that I have seen this mug yet. Wake up or don't. Up to you. Oh. And let's see what Goofy says. It's a beautiful day. How about some Caribbean Beach Resort ears? This is very nice. So they have lots of little photo things for you to hold if you want to take pictures. So there we are. Over there, our room is over there. But we have come for dinner. So, because Magic Kingdom closed at 4:30, that means Epcot and Hollywood Studios and Disney Springs are going to be packed tonight because it's one less park that's open. So we are not going to do any of that. We decided to use this night to come over and eat at a restaurant that we haven't ate at in quite a while. Sebastian's. Now, when they first opened, they caught a lot of slack. I loved it, but I ate, let's say, you know, it's not your normal food. Like Tom didn't like the frou-frou food that it served, but they've changed the menu now, and it is family style, and there's stuff he can eat, so that's what we're gonna do. Look at this. I get a view of our resort out that window, and Tom gets a view of the artwork behind me. Ooh. This is family style. So the salad has like a key lime dressing. And then, oh my gosh, I forgot. The buttery rolls with something. Anyway, sounds amazing. So this is some type of, definitely a cheddar cheese bread. Very good. We've done some serious damage, guys. Love the art with Sebastian there. The cabinets, wish I had that cabinet at home. Time to spend a little time in the Voyageurs Lounge. All right, we've come in here to plan the last part of our trip. Yep, this is what we're looking at. Oops. This is what we're looking at, guys. Go figure. But it's still better than at home. And this is happening, but that's irrelevant to us because we didn't fly. But the reason we'll have to plan is because our plans have changed. Originally, we were going to sleep 2 nights in the van on our way to Gulf Shores, Alabama, where Tom has his work conference. But we have checked the temperature and it's going to be below freezing. We can't sleep in the vehicle when it's below freezing, so now we have to make alternate plans. Okay guys, look at what Tom's wearing, and then look at what this lady's wearing. They're wearing the same thing. Just want to say we really do like this resort. Wish it had more availability for DVC.